Selection tools. Selection tools are used to select those areas of an image that we wish to modify. A selection isolates a part of an image so that we can work on the highlighted area only without affecting the rest of the image. Photoshop provides us with different types of selection tools. Let us take a look at how these tools work. Rectangular Marquee tool. This tool is used to make a rectangular selection. The tool includes Rectangular Marquee tool, Elliptical Marquee tool, Single Row Marquee tool, and Single Column Marquee tool. To select an image using the Marquee tool, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the arrow next to the Rectangular Marquee tool. 2. From the list, select the shape of the tool you want for selecting an object. For example, here we are selecting a rectangular marquee tool. 3. Click and drag the mouse pointer over the part of the image you want to select. The image gets selected and the area inside the animated border represents your selection. You can deselect an image by clicking on the Deselect option in the Select menu. Lasso tool. Lasso tool works like a pencil. This tool is also called Freehand Selection tool. It is the easiest tool to use because you can simply click and drag your mouse around the object or area you want to select. The lasso tool is used to make a curved or jagged selection. To use the lasso tool, follow the given step. 1. Click on the lasso tool. 2. Click and drag with your mouse pointer to make a selection. Polygonal lasso tool. Polygonal lasso tool makes a straight-edged selection around your object in the shape of a polygon. It does not allow curved or freehand selections. To use the polygonal lasso tool, follow the given step. 1. Right-click on the lasso tool. 2. Select the polygonal lasso tool. 3. Click around the area of the image to enclose the desired area till you reach the straight point. You can also close the selection area of Polygonal Lasso tool by double-clicking anywhere with the Polygonal Lasso tool. Upon double-clicking, Photoshop will close the selection by drawing a straight line from the point you clicked at to the initial starting point. Magnetic Lasso tool. Magnetic Lasso tool is an edge detection tool which searches for the edge of the object as you move your mouse pointer around the object. It makes the selection on the edges and clings to it. It performs best when your image has a lot of contrast between the foreground and background elements. For example, a basket full of fruits with light colored background. To use the Magnetic Lasso tool, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the lasso tool. 2. Select the Magnetic Lasso tool. 3. Click on the edges of the image you want to select to create a beginning of the anchor point. Then, click around the edges till you return to the initial point. Object Selection tool. Object Selection tool is used to select a part of object or image. To use the Object Selection tool, follow the given step. 1. Click on the Object Selection tool. 2. Select the object by dragging the mouse. Quick Selection tool. Quick Selection tool makes a selection based on the same color and contrast in the image that you wish to select. It remembers all the consecutive strokes. This way you can make different selections in a single image. 1. Right-click on the Object Selection tool. 2. Select the Quick Selection tool. 3. Draw a rough line around the area to be selected. The selection adheres to the edges of the object. Addition and subtractions can be done to the selection. Magic Wand tool. Magic Wand tool selects area of similar color pixels around it with just one click. One of the most common uses of this tool is to remove the background of an image, leaving the main object in place. It works best when the image has few colors only. or the background and the object is clearly differentiated. To use the magic wand tool, follow the given step. 1. Right-click on the Object Selection tool. 2. Click on the Magic Wand tool. 3. Click the area you want to select inside the image. Photoshop selects everything in the image that is of the same color adjacent to the location where you click.